again, there's nothing obvious here. You know, they put that out flashband nonsense on there, but bad sign, but there's nothing obvious. I mean, the slates look fine. This here is an obvious sort of thermal bridge down below this here in the room. Would be a lot cooler than normal, you know. And this here, detail here, would transfer a lot of, and that chimney, the chimney and that, basically that's effectively like that's an outside wall. And instead of an ordinary party wall, that'll be bringing a lot of thermal bridging down into the room, you know. There's cracks inside that chimney there. A chimney with, you know, could really be done with repaired. You know, that cap there doesn't look like there's a proper any sort of cap there. It just looks like the brick. You can see the way the bricks are not really finished off properly. You know, really should be replastered and sealed with a new cap on it, and that brickwork pointed and structural pointed and sealed, you know, so that would need to be done at some stage. But you can see that big crack hanging open there. This here, I mean, I don't know, look at this. That there's just fucking hanging out there. So, you can argue that it's chucking it in behind there, you know. So if it's a party wall, you know, you really own this half of it. Do you know what I mean? So, in which case you're sort of responsible for it. I don't know. That's a, you know, but usually in party walls, which that is, it would be your responsibility. Look, you know, if there's rain pouring into there, it's going to bring problems down below. You know, that would all need finished off. So anyway, that there's bad. That's bad. Chimney needs a bit of looking at. But other than that there, you know, the roof, the slates look fine, you know.